Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaidan Muhtafi Billah and my student ID is 25051230007. In this video, I want to talk about the damage of the machine component. Here, I have a shaft that connects the spindle. This shaft is very important because it runs rotation from the motor to the spindle, so the machine can work properly. Without it, the spindle cannot rotate. And if spindle doesn't rotate, the wall machining process will stop. So even though it may look like a simple component, the role of this shaft is actually very critical. As we can see, this shaft is already worn out, the surface is no longer smooth, the size has become smaller, and there are clear marks of wear. If you look closely, the worn surface usually has scratches, groove, or even becomes slightly oval instead of perfectly round. This is classic sign of wear that happens over time when the shaft keeps rotating against other components. Sometimes the wear also makes the fit between the shaft and the bearing loose. So instead of running smoothly, the spindle might start to shake a little. This kind of damage usually happens because of friction and poor lubrication. When the machine keeps running for hours or even days, the shaft surface slowly gets thinner. Another cause might be misalignment, which means the shaft and spindle are not perfectly in line. This condition makes the load uneven and speeds up the wear. For example, imagine you are riding a bicycle, but the chain is not straight. It will still run, but the chain will get wear out much faster. The same thing happened here with the shaft. Also, some test operators forget to check the lubrication system. All the oil and grease are already dirty. When the lubrication doesn't work properly, the shaft surface has direct contact with other surface, and wear becomes worse. If we keep using this worn shaft, it can cause several problems. First, the spindle will not be stable, and the machine will start to vibrate more than usual. Second, the accuracy of the product will go down, which means the dimension or surface finish of the work is not correct. This is a big problem because in manufacturing, precision is everything. In the worst case, if the shaft suddenly breaks, the machine can stop working. Or even the worst part is repair costs will become much more expensive compared to the replacing the shaft earlier. The best way to fix this problem, of course, to replace the shaft with a new one. Once the surface is already worn out and the size change, it's very difficult to repair it back to the original form. So these are several things that we can do to fix this. Firstly, the surface treatment, and 2, proper lubrication, 3, check alignment, and 4, routine inspection. This way the shaft will last longer, the spindle will run smoothly, and the machine performance will stay at its best. So the main problem here is a wear on the shaft because of friction, misalignment, and lack of lubrication. To prevent it, we need to make sure there is a proper lubrication, do regular inspection, and replace the shaft when necessary. Thus, remember, a small component like this can actually decide whether a machine works perfectly or completely breaks down. That's why maintenance is very important to the industry. That's all for me. Thank you much for watching until the end, and I hope this explanation is useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As additional information, this is where the rotor is located. See, and he connected into here, and this is where the shaft is located. And you can see there is a gear that mount into the shaft, and then rotating the gear that connect into the spindle.